In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a photo or save a frame from a video on your iPhone. So this is going to be a nice and easy tutorial, and all you need to do is head over to the App Store on your phone and using the search box, type in Toolbox and hit enter. Then if you scroll down, you'll see this app Toolbox by Paperclip. Go ahead and click on the download link and wait a few seconds while that downloads and installs to your device. Once it's finished downloading, open up the application. Make sure you allow full access to your camera roll by clicking on allow full access, and then we're going to scroll down to the video section, and underneath video you'll have this option to extract photo. From here you need to select where your video is located, so mine's in my photo library, so I'm going to click on this and then just select the video that you want to take a still frame from. So now what you can do is move the playhead to exactly where you want to take this photo or this frame, and once you're happy with the position, click on the plus icon in the bottom left hand side. You can also take multiple photos if you want at different points in the video, and then we can go and press finish. Now finally, decide on where you want to save this photo to. You can either select your photo library files or you can share it at the bottom. I'm just going to press on photo library, and now if you head over to the Photos app on your phone, you can see at the bottom of the screen here we have these still images that we've managed to create from our video. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.